What if I told you there's a way to make $10,000, maybe even $20,000 online before Christmas, and you can start today with $0? I know it sounds crazy, but listen to this. Holiday shoppers are going to spend more money online this year than any other year in history, and that massive spending spree, it's your opportunity. Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Christine, and I am so excited for today's breakdown. Because we're not talking about some complicated side hustle. We're talking about a simple, beginner-friendly method that is already making real people $5,000, $10,000, up to $70,000 a month with personalized products. Think about it. Tumblers, t-shirts, candles, cards, kids' gifts. Everyone wants something unique and meaningful for the holidays, and that's where we come in. So, I'm going to show you how to set up this entire business in just a few minutes using only free tools. All you need is a laptop, tablet, or even your phone. And if you're watching this after Christmas, don't worry. This works for Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, and every other holiday too, okay? Now a quick one here. I can't promise you'll hit the exact numbers you see other sellers making, but here's my guarantee. This strategy works. If you follow every step, you will see results. So stick with me, don't skip a thing. Alright, let's go straight into the money-making steps. Step 1 is all about design, and our free tool is Canva. Forget about those complicated software. Canva is your creative powerhouse. It's super fast, super easy, and the best part, most of the templates are completely free. Here's the trick for Christmas. We're going to focus on personalized stuffed animals for kids. They are one of the cutest, fastest selling holiday products. And don't worry, I will show you exactly where to get it. Now, ensure that you are on canva.com. In the search bar, type in Christmas, or to be more specific, Christmas Kid. And there you go. Pick a design you love. There are tons of designs here. There are just many to choose from, but you have to choose strategically. So pick a design you love. This is a good design. Merry Christmas, Olivia. We can easily customize it. And how about this? It's my first Christmas. Perfect. I will go with this design. Take note of this section. It shows you more similar designs you can use as well. Okay? Now go ahead and click on Customize this template. And you're in. Now this part is really important. We have 3 main things to do. 1. Customize the text. 2. Change the element. 3. Add a photo spot. This helps your customer instantly understand, hey, this is where your child's photo will go. So, to change the element, click on the Elements tab and search for Christmas theme. You'll see thousands of beautiful options to choose from. This one is perfect. So I'll replace the old element and adjust the text too. Easy peasy, right? Next up, the photo spot. Still in the Elements section, click on Frames, and to bring our design to life, I'll choose a circular frame. We're almost done. The only thing missing is a sample photo. Just search for a picture of a 1-year-old girl. Great, this one works well. Drag it into the frame and boom, done. Our design is complete, right? Now pay attention here. Click Share and make sure to download it without a background, unless you actually want the background included. And that's it for the design. So now the big question is, how do we turn this digital file into a physical product and actually make money from it? So let's turn that design into a real sellable product using Printify. If you haven't heard of Printify before, it's a print-on-demand platform that lets you sell physical products without touching inventory or spending a single dollar upfront. And here's why Printify is such a game changer. You only pay after you make a sale. They handle everything, printing your design, packaging the item, and shipping it straight to your customer. All you have to do is upload your design and collect the profit. So go ahead and click the link in the description or just visit printify.com to follow along. Once you're inside, check out their catalog. You'll find tons of best-selling products. But for this tutorial, we're choosing a personalized stuffed animal, maybe a cute bear or a bunny. Click on Other, then type Stuffed into the search bar. And there it is. Look at all these options. So many adorable stuffed animals to choose from. This one looks great. And it even has a solid 9.3 rating from a US provider. Perfect. Now, click Start Designing to move forward. Now feel free to play around with the color variants for the little t-shirt on the stuffed animal. Next, upload the design you made in Canva and position it nicely on the toy. After that, click Preview to see exactly how it will look on the mockup. Beautiful, right? Just like that, you've created a physical product that's ready to sell. I always download my mockup for easy use, so feel free to do the same. Then click Save Product to continue. I already have my store connected, but if you don't worry. We're about to walk through how to set things up so you can keep the most profit possible. Now step 3, and this is the most important part. Let's talk about your product listing. For the title, honestly, the one we have is already great, clean, clear, and on point. The same goes for the description. But if you ever want to upgrade it, aim for something catchy, keyword-rich, and focused on the feeling the gift creates, not just the product itself. Emotional titles and descriptions convert really well. Now scroll down and make sure you turn on the personalization feature. This feature lets buyers upload their child's name, custom text, and photo right on the product page. And here's the thing. Personalized gifts consistently sell more, and customers are willing to pay a higher price for them. Now for the pricing. At $29, you're making about $11 profit per sale, which is a good deal. And you can actually raise your price so you don't appear too cheap. So if you're unsure where to start, just hop over to Etsy and check what other sellers are charging, okay? For example, the same type of stuffed animal we designed earlier is selling for $27. So clearly there's demand and people are buying. Some sellers even go as high as $62, and all of these are available on Printify. And don't worry, I'll share a small secret soon to help you boost your sales too, okay? Now, once you find a comfortable middle ground price, you're good to go. Save it as a draft or connect it to your store. Either way, we're almost ready to launch. And here's your next move. Repeat this same process with other simple products, like a personalized candle, Christmas socks, sweater, or pillow. Use your Canva templates and Printify mockups to build out a full holiday collection. The more options you offer, the more chances you have to make sales. Step 4, launching your store and hitting that $10,000 goal. I also call this the 1% POD strategy. And here's exactly how it works. You've got a few options for launching your store, but hands down, the fastest way is to use Printify's pop-up shop or TikTok shop. These are the quickest platforms to get your products live. And Printify automatically syncs everything. So when someone places an order, it goes directly to them for printing and shipping. And since the Christmas season is right around the corner, Printify Pop-Up and TikTok Shop are your best speed-ready options, okay? And I'm emphasizing this because so many people have asked me this exact question on my channel. But how do I get traffic to my store? Great question. I'd recommend Facebook ads. But Facebook recently changed their ad system, and the learning curve is now huge. Not ideal when we're trying to get results fast. So instead of running Facebook ads you don't understand, or spamming your links all over social media, here's what you do instead. Build a small targeted sales force. You do this by paying niche-specific micro-influencers to promote your product for you. Look for influencers with 5,000 to 20,000 followers and high engagement, the ones with lots of comments, not just likes. Then reach out using a simple script or pitch like this. You say, "Hi Christine, I'm launching a new product collection called Mama and I, specifically for your niche. I saw your content about new moms, and I think your audience would love this. We're paying our partners $100 for one dedicated post and 3 stories. Are you open to new partnerships right now?" This strategy is brilliant and it works. You could waste $200 on Facebook ads and get 0 sales, or pay 2 micro-influencers $100 each and get access to thousands of warm, targeted buyers, social proof, and your first real customers, all from one simple strategy. Another paid option is TikTok's built-in ad campaign, which is much easier to use than Facebook. And finally, for a free method, try posting short articles on medium.com. Write small Christmas-themed pieces and link back to your store. It's simple but surprisingly effective. Now, before you run any campaign, make sure your store looks clean and responsive. You don't want traffic bouncing because your store looks unfinished. And please do not send influencer traffic to an Etsy page. It's unprofessional and you lose all control over your customers. The goal is to own the customer relationship, okay? So stop waiting for customers to find you. Go where they already are. I hope this helps. If you want more guidance on influencer outreach, I'll be in the comments answering your questions. Until next time, stay cool, stay calm, and I'll see you in the next video.